That's as far as we can go.
Yep. Oh.
Into your split now.
Whoa.
Feel easier?
Yeah, the calf is on the floor.
Brilliant.
Yeah, the calf has smacked the floor. This is
Good. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
So tell me what's been going on.
So, working on splits.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I've got pain in the sternum where sometimes it feels really inflamed, and in order to make it alleviate the pain, I've got to take my elbow back, sometimes take it up, and it clicks.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, lower back's a little bit springy as well.
Okay. Any pain in the low back or the hips?
Just a little bit of a springy feeling, but it's not pain. Only a little bit consistent. Well, yeah.
So that's quite difficult there.
Yeah.
That's as far as we can go.
Yep. Trying to kill me.
Okay. So I can see we short this leg.
Mm-hmm.
Pelvis here is rotated.
Ah.
Are you
I
aware of
can feel
that?
that, yeah.
See there.
It's like it wants to just
Yeah.
lie on that side, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oof.
You sound like the Churchill advert. Oh yes, yes.
Oh,
yes,
no. Oh, yes. Yeah, that's not nowhere near as
There's much charge to this right side, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just 2 moments. Block underneath you here.
Okay.
Underneath you here. How's that feel when I push on there now?
Yeah, that's so already.
Already released off?
Yeah.
So different angles for different reasons. And breathe out. Lovely.
Ah. Oh.
Okay.
Ah.
Lovely. Nice one. On your back. And all the way around. Lovely! That release! You feel that?
Ah, yeah.
Nice one.
Ah.
You alright?
Yeah. It's like my chest just opened up.
You feel that?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Into your split now.
Whoa.
Feel easier?
Yeah, the calf is on the floor.
Brilliant.
Yeah, the calf has smacked the floor. This is
Good. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Now,
So here, more than anything, that's good.
gone?
Yeah. Ooh. And then here sometimes, but yeah, that's gone.
Nice.